Hey guys, Katie Bertrand here, and welcome to my channel. So glad you could join me today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all our latest videos. I'm the owner of a store in Louisville, Kentucky, and many of you have probably seen a lot of my sewing videos, but I wasn't sure if many of you knew that I actually had a retail storefront. The name of the store is So Cute by Katie, same as my YouTube channel. So I thought today I would just kind of take you on a store tour, show you some of the merchandise that we sell in the store, and you can also find most of these items on our website, which is socutebykatie.com. So our store, we sell a lot of things to be personalized. We love to help you find the perfect gift and really customize it. We do have some boutique clothing for women. We like to have little fun, fashionable jewelry and stuff like that. We've got things for baby, a wide variety of ages. We do vinyl heat press. We do vinyl decals. We do sublimated t-shirts. In the store, we also offer clothing alterations, so our local customers can come in and get garments fitted, and we're going to start offering sewing classes in our store. Right now I'm just doing online sewing classes, so also on our website you can find some of those sewing classes. We also have a sewing club that is a membership. We work on one project a month, really teaching you the step-by-step basics of learning to sew and read a pattern, that kind of thing. And many of you have seen some of my other sewing videos and embroidery videos on YouTube, so thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. So I'm going to just kind of take you on a little store tour real quick and just show you. Okay, so I'm going to take you on a little tour of our retail area, and this is our baby section. So we have little gowns, we do bibs, cute little plush animals that hold a little blanket that we personalize, blankets, we have really pretty quilts for baby, we do the pillows that have all your baby stats on it. We also do that on a sublimated blanket. I wanted to show you this too. So these are some of the things that we offer. We've got some little different designs. These are all printed on here. These are little tiny lovey blankies. So if you have a theme for your baby, you can send us pictures and we can actually print it. So little onesies. Our most popular item are these really cute elephants. And as you can see up here, we personalize the ears, and you can do the name on one ear and then the baby stats on the other ear. These are all on our website, socutebykatie.com. Really pretty. These are some really nice Afghans. I love these. They've got a little place right here to personalize. Then we have some hanging cosmetic bags. We've got the waffle robes. These little items I love. These are great for bridal parties, bridesmaid gifts. We are in Louisville, Kentucky, so we do a lot of Kentucky theme embroidery and vinyl printing. We have these fun mugs. Now we can customize and print your mugs. We can put pictures on them. You can email it to us. These are all sublimated, and we do make these. We've got some fun little drink koozie, or I'm sorry, coasters, not koozies. Our wine bags. Of course, we have to stick with the bourbon theme because we're in Kentucky. We've got some new cashmere field scarves. Those are not on the website yet, but they will be. And then our raincoats. I absolutely love our raincoats. They come in a variety of colors, and then you have the option to monogram them. They're 100% waterproof. They're really nice. I also like them because they have the dual zip where you can zip it up from the bottom, so when you get in your car you can unzip it and sit down. It's not so tight around your hip area, so that's kind of nice. We've got a few things left over from back to school, our backpacks and lunch bags, and we have our new Halloween t-shirts and trick-or-treat bags. So these are great for the kids. This one's really cute. I like this one. Said bag of tricks or treats. And then we put the name just right down here, and we do that in the vinyl. And then we have the pumpkin, the witch, Uh-oh, Frank fell. We gotta stand him back up. Sorry about that. So then our trick-or-treat bags. So those are really cute, great. You can put lots of candy in there. Then let me swing you around here. So these are some of our cute new tops. These are going to be on our website under the women's section under boutique clothing. This is our sublimated t-shirts. We do all kinds of seasonal t-shirts, different designs. Fall is our favorite. I love this one. I love the color of that burgundy. Now we did some short sleeve shirts like this Fabulous is a short sleeve. I heart fall most of all, and the red and the burgundy is a short sleeve because it actually is starting, it stays hot a lot longer. It's still hot through October. It doesn't really get cool until November, really. We have some of our pullover jackets on sale. They are marked down. Check those out. We do a ton of quarter zip sweatshirts, monogrammed. This is one of the ones we did with glitter vinyl. So for all our U of L fans. Up here we have all kinds of cute pillow wraps. It's a great way to change your home decor without doing too much different. You can just change out your pillow wrap. And then the mermaid pillows, these are awesome. We print on these. You see the sequins? These are the ones where you can rub it one way. So if you rub it this way, we would print on this white part. And we can do a picture, and we can put your child's name. They're really fun. They come in red, rose gold, and silver. We've got some new items for fall. These are our gingham tote bags. Kind of a flannel feel. Really adorable for fall. We've just got in some new plaid wraps. We've got the Sherpas. This is a new item. This is so cute. I love the quarter zip. It's gray, and then it has the pink plaid on the back. And then we have a black quilted. It's got the snap trim, and then it has these cute little elbow patches. Isn't that fun? So another cute item. We carry all kinds of fun jewelry, little keychains. Now we embroider our hand towels. We do embroidery and vinyl, and we can customize those. So we can do like holiday. We just started carrying some new stationery, which I love. This one, just a little notepad, says hello sunshine. Today I'm choosing happy. These are great. These are like little, let me show you this. These are weekly planners. So it's just a to-do list, and you just rip it off like a notepad. So then you can write out for the week. Little planner there. Note cards. I love this one. It says better than a text. And this one says you're the best. And then we have like fun little like inspirational pins. Have like fun little sayings on them. So just some really cute things. Then we do lots of hats. These are all on our website as well, which is SoCuteByKatie.com. I'll put the link to the website in the description. And we have the beanies, which the young kids wear these beanies year round, even if it's like 1,000 degrees, but I'm more of a just when it's winter. And we have visors. And then showing some of our new leopard print top, super popular. And this is a new one that we just got in. Oops, let me show you this one. So we have the all leopard, and then we have the one that's just a leopard sleeve. And it's got a nice little knit texture to it. So I'm going to show you those. And then we have the gingham in black. We've got the lots of different vests, striped dress. And I want to show you some of our sublimated t-shirts. So this is one of the sublimated t-shirts. We have our new Kentucky with the 502, because the 502 is for our area code in Louisville, and we have this in blue and red because everybody likes UK and U of L, and that's their colors. So we've got a lot of different things. We also do applique, so we've got the state of Kentucky. We do applique monograms, so just a little bit of everything. So just wanted to kind of show you what was in the shop and what you can expect to see on our website as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour. Here's some other school things, UK, U of L, and then one of our local high schools. They're letters are CAL, so we do some school things. So yeah, a little bit of everything. So that's it for the tour. That's the front half of our store. We also have our workspace and then our classroom in the back. We'll do that on another tour. But just wanted to show you a quick view of our store, just in case you weren't familiar with what So Cute by Katie really is. It is an actual storefront here in Louisville, Kentucky. So if you're a local person, we'd love for you to come by and visit. If you're driving through the Louisville sometime, please stop by. We have all kinds of fun stuff. But if you're not from here, you can always shop on our website, socutebykatie.com. Order any kind of personalized gifts. We always try to get our items out 7 to 10 days minimal, usually a lot sooner than that. We try to prioritize our online orders if possible so that you can get your order since we have that shipping. But I just wanted to take you on a tour, and I appreciate you guys being with me today, and I hope to see you back soon. Have a good one. Bye.